Good morning, sir. This is Vijayanand from Tiruchirappalli. I have owned two firms. One is Jiram Agro Missionaries, which I have started since 2023, and another one is Gauri Agri Equipments in Nagapatnam, which have been started since 2025. We have achieved a place in CEO Champions Club by building more number of power tillers in last financial years, and we have achieved more than 215 numbers of delivery both in power tillers, power weeders in Tiruchirappalli and Nagapatnam district. We have initiated financial camps like combining with the Bajaj Finance and through Sriram Finance. We have going to the farmers' place, and we have initiated some kind of activities for them for the retail finance. And we have also make a move like penetrating into a non-potential villages, like they have zero number of power tillers and power weeders. We have penetrated those villages, and we have delivered more than 25 numbers of power weeders in last financial year. And recently we have made a camp in Pachamalai, and we have got a good response for VST there. Thank you.